What is up, everybody? It's your boy Geek of Sneakers, back with another video. And today, as you can see, we have a little bit of a different video today. I have some photos on my wall that I put up. I thought about doing this video kind of late because this is not a planned video, but after putting up my movie and album cover wall, I thought I really should have turned this into a video. But fortunately, I still have one big Jordan poster that I need to put on my door right here that has nothing on it, and an art piece that I did of some Jordans that I want to put up. So I thought I'd record myself doing that and also show you how I, made my movie and album cover wall right here in this section. For the longest time when editing my videos and looking at the background of my room, other than the shoes and the clothing in my closet, the room looks kind of boring. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, there's literally nothing on the walls that scream myself, or to have something aesthetically that fits into the background that's pleasing to the eye to look at whenever I'm talking about, a topic, whether I'm doing a sneaker haul or a clothing haul. I wanted to have something on the wall that looks presentable. So basically all these album and movie covers came from Pinterest. I individually searched Polaroid movie posters and Polaroid album covers. And as you can see in the screen recordings, there's a lot to choose from that I just saved on my phone. I chose some movies, TV shows, and albums that I liked growing up or that I liked recently. Like, I grew up on the Harry Potter movies, so I got a couple Harry Potter Polaroids, like the Chamber of Secrets right here and the Order of the Phoenix from 07. And with my name actually being Harry, I can't count how many times in elementary school a kid would come up to me and be like, "Hey, Harry Potter." But nonetheless, to top it off, I did put my IG profile picture on the top corner I thought it was pretty cool just because I have my profile picture on the top corner, and then that just lets you know that everything underneath it is albums I've listened to and movies that I've watched throughout my life. So what I did to get these is use an app called FreePrints. I'm not gonna lie, right now I'm about to put y'all onto the drip. Basically with FreePrints you can get up to 85 4x6 photos a month, and all you have to pay is shipping. So on the wall here I have about 37 prints, and it came out to, I think it came out to like $3.20 for them to send all the 37 prints in a 4x6 format. The shipping goes up the more prints that you want, but I think it doesn't go over $10. This is not a sponsored video, but FreePrints, if you are watching and you want to sponsor me, I am your guy. I just think it's so dope to get so many prints for, for so cheap. Like $3.20 just for all of this is, crazy. And then what I did to put them up is use these command poster strips just so I don't have to worry about using tape on the wall, and sometime in the future I want to take it off and then it rips off the paint. So just to be safe, I used these because they don't leave any residue, and they were cheap for a pack of 48. I think it was $8 and change at Lowe's. And I forgot to mention I did do a line of my favorite outfits on IG, which is at geekofsneak_, and I think it is pretty organized with it having the the album covers on top, and then it separates it to the the movie and TV shows on the bottom. By the way, if you are new to the channel, I'm doing a giveaway where I'm giving away 2 $150 gift cards to 2 separate winners to any retail store of your choosing at 5,000 subscribers. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Geek Gang family and to be a part of that giveaway when it happens. And like I said before, make sure to follow me on IG and Twitter at geekofsneak_. So the next thing I want to do is hang up this Jordan accordion book that I did in my intro to graphic design class and put it on top of the first 4 album covers right here. What I'm gonna do is put 1 command strip on each cover. So I'm gonna put 1 on the edge right here and 1 on the edge right here. Since the covers are made of paper, I was kind of worried, just because what if I want to take it down and a command strip rips off the paper that's on here. But I tested a command strip on a random piece of paper. I sticked it on there, pulled the tab, and it did not leave any residue or even rip the paper. So I think I am good.
A few moments later.
Now all I gotta do is take off the stickers to show the adhesive on this side and on this side, and just hang it up on top. But before I do that, I need to get a chair because it is too high for me to reach. Alright, now I think that looks pretty good. Now it's time for the grand finale, which is the poster that I got from Etsy. I've actually had the poster for a few days. I've just been waiting for the video to open it and finally hang it up for the video, so I'm excited. Let me go ahead and put this chair up and get the poster to hang up on the wall or the door. Yeah, let's go do that. poster has been wrapped up basically like this for the last couple of days, so it is kind of hard to have it fully open, but I'm gonna try my best to show you guys the poster before I put it up. But this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so folded. So we got the bread toes and then the sky background, and then on the bottom here, hopefully, there we go. It says, I can't hold the other side, but basically it says Gravity's Worst Nightmare, and then it has some text on the bottom here. But you guys will be able to see it better once I hang it up. And again, I'm gonna use the command strip, so I'm gonna use one right here in the corner, in the top corner, another one in the other corner on the top, one here on the bottom, and then one on the other side on the bottom. So let's get to posting. Now that I got the top half up, I'm gonna do the bottom. So this is actually really dope. Like, and there it is. I think it looks really dope. It only came out to $23 after shipping. And in hindsight, everything here, including the poster and the album wall, the album and movie cover wall, everything here cost only about $35 to make, which is low-key a steal. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, and I look forward to recording more videos with this in the background to have it look presentable, like I said earlier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this different video for today. It's been your boy Harry, aka Geek of Sneakers, aka Geek of Sneaks, aka Geek, aka GOS. You guys have a great day or a great night, and stay safe. I'm out.